Today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a fresh copy of Windows 11 on a desktop computer. So let's begin. First thing you have to do is you need to go to Microsoft's website and download a Windows 11 installation media creator, which you can get here. Or you could download the ISO for Windows 11 and burn it onto a DVD. I'll leave the video, I'll leave this in the video descriptions below. So you could get this thing right here. This is the media creation tool. And you could create a USB flash drive. You'll need a USB flash drive which is 8 gigabytes or greater. Or you could create an ISO for it, which is you could put Windows 11 on a DVD disc if you have one. So you could select either one of these. I recommend that you use the USB setup because it'll be a lot faster for installing Windows. I'm not going to do this because I already have Windows 11 here. So after you do that, you have to go on your, you have to insert the USB device in your computer and go into the BIOS. As for downloading or creating the USB ISO or the DVD ISO, it's going to take a little bit of time, so just be patient. So now I'll be going to my computer. Okay, so now I'm on my computer. So I want to go into the BIOS first. So it's F2 for me. I just keep pressing F2. F2. I don't know, for your motherboard it may be different. So what I want to do here is I want to go to advanced mode, go to boot. So this is my USB flash drive with Windows on it. That's what I'm going to select. Exit. I should be able to boot into my USB flash drive with Windows 11 on it. Now I'm on this screen. Select your country and language. Install now. I don't have the key right now, so just bypass that. I'm going to use Windows 11 Home. You could select the one that you want. And it gives me this error message. To get past it, we gotta press Shift F10. type in Regedit. Go to key local machine. Go to system. Go to setup. Right here. Select new key. We'll select. We'll call it LabConfig. Go to modify here, select one. Create new, create dword32 value. Bypass secure boot. Check. Go here, modify. Change hexadecimal value from 0 to 1. Go here, new. dword32 bit. Bypass TPM check. Right click here, modify 1. For me, I have TPM on this, so it's not, I don't have to do this, but for you, you may have to do it. I'm just going to show you that I don't have to, but mine is going to work without TPM bypass. And I'll show you that right now. For you, it may be different, so you may have to use that. Select next. I should be able to install it now. It gives me this licensing agreement. You have to agree to it or you can't use it. So custom install. I want to install it on here. So format that. You can select whatever drive you want to install it on, and after this, you should be able to use Windows. It's going to take maybe, I don't know, 15 to 30 minutes depending on the speed of your USB device and how fast it's transferring the data to your storage device. So I'll skip through this. You don't have to watch through all of this.
you.